Monica.
Hello, my busy people.
Please,
good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of where una they see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, welcome back to our channel. Aprogowa TV, where they give una the woto.
Share my video.
My people, una know now say this our channel is all about gists and latest.
Now, Monica has not insulted me. Whether good or bad, she has not insulted me. I see no reason why I should insult her. If she mistake, I will come here and correct her. I know Monica fans. I know they fight for Monica. I know they support Monica, the beat person. When somebody feels say into smart, in the disrespect somebody with a big person, Umenwan will come positional. That's what I'm doing to Enogie. So nobody should think or believe or Monica fans should come and support me feeling say I dey fight for Monica. No. Me, I'm a one-man squad. If I see what Enogie did is wrong, I go use the history, the story of Monica. Where and woto. That is me. Enogie too small. It too small. It no level. Even though it join years, but Enogie no still get level. Enogie grade me. We go insult senior men for the industry. Especially people will help him and his wife. People will give him food to chop. The reason why I come and me and remove my eyeglass, I'm not facing baby, you don't drink, now I can call it talk. That's why I remove my eyeglass, but not see my face. The reason why I stand to the cure Enogie, I know this beat Enogie because of Monica. The atrocities of Enogie and the siblings and the family. Now they scratch out and pull up from the scene. Now, this evening, I did walk. Because for how many months now? More than 5 months now. Facebook no they pay me because of the get why. That one I was not going to disclose for media. The get why. Everything about my payment method, my pay out account is restricted. So I still they send out my message to the general public. My page are monetized. You understand? But it does not want me to be lying. Not especially when we say I'm not they collect money. You understand? My message is for the general public to wise. And not say because Facebook when they pay me, make I fold my hand. They look. They see a look at the misbehave. They look when I get paid to talk. And that's why I continue diagnosing and broadcasting the truth, nothing but the truth and the sincerity. Whether you are my fans or you are my enemy, if you are right as my enemy, I will support you. That's me. And I just say find way for the go to do or journal senior, they go to beg, they get one another. I rent house, I get family. You understand? I get wife and children here. I must take my responsibility as a man to stand friend. Even though I beg, I go, they beg, they get small thing to the shop. You understand? You not concern anybody. If you see me the video, me post on. Now also I dey go, now also gonna do. I don't get time to check time, inshallah. That's me for you. I know be man with the form investor, MC with the TV selling brands. For me to go thief for party, they call them mock me for social media. I better go beg. Beg go ibo say but John. Give me small to me at the flex. Now me for you that one. I just the entire so when I did we had the paragoli they find my daily bread now as the Monica video. So I need to come and come diagnose her. You understand? Now the thing will make me write most message to Monica. I bet when I invite Monica come here, make a sit down, make a listen. No be insult. It's not. No be insult. When I invite her, make come and listen. Because peradventures Monica might not know or he don't forget. More Umenwan, I know they forget anything. How I just start for this media, I will remember one. 2020, 21. 2020 it was NSAS for Nigeria all over the world. NSAS. 2021 Obazelu and Ivie Mata bust up. I beg when I share this video. You got Beguna. When I share it, me Monica sit down and watch this video. Waiting Monica talk today now. I can't debunk. Yes, I buy my own way. I will not take it from any presenters. I will debunk it and I will enlighten her. Make she for understand. I not blame her. She might not know. Due to the broadcast, the social media live video presenter where they talk. Now she still feel to do that video we do today. I will explain. Make Monica sit down. Make she understand what will happen for this video. 2021, Obazin Lumata come at where the movie record Monica record the V. Price can go give stainless to do live video, the thing cast. Everybody the brass goes. Let's start if you provoke come and do election of presidency, where I become the winner of the election as the social media president. All of you now watch and listen. Along with that, please share this video. Don't waste time. Just want to go sharp so that we'll go sleep because I don't have to go bath, sleep. Tomorrow on that day, you understand? So as I was saying, Monica do the video with Monica do now the try the like please don't tag Monica beg. I just call beg to make she sit down, make she watch this video. I don't know whether she did live video now she do it because I didn't when I watch. I don't listen to a little part of it. Blah 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 blah. Okay, fine. Maybe this woman not understand. I'm not gonna blame her. This time around, not to the use e-source to do saga. I just want to go sit down, watch. So after the video where the Murphy do, people begin to who record them. I said that the Murphy I do video. If you need to do election, I claim as the winner of the social media president. Saga scatter everywhere. Big. Me and Monica have never talked. Till today, we never carry full talk to each other or call. Not till today. Till as I sit down here to talk. Then when I came on the president, social media president, Saga or Saga was social media they breathe smoke and they move one by. And the move one by himself because of the name which he eats will not be our own, will not be young. Then a lot of people involved, including my late dad. So that's okay, what's going to happen? That name, person don't forget that, change that name. Give yourself a name. One woman from Monica France called me when we were talking. When I listen, the woman called to discuss with me, say, this, say, and the movie not go follow me do saga, blah blah blah. Since the movie down, they do saga. How many now call him and say, Mama, my dad, me and my dad talk, and my dad say make I leave for the movie. My dad say make I leave for the movie. Me I bring out my own name. I believe someone they hear me. I can bring my own name, you understand? And you because I wish I can be your name now. I would suggest with the talk, the woman and Monica talk France. As I decided Saga Monica today, the woman only follow me. At the same he saw me blah blah blah. I say I want now. Since then, I'm not talking about. Now I think I got to do make a chop king. And I say yes. Since Eddie Murphy choose to be president, I will now be the king. You want to say nice one. Nice one. That one will do better as a social media king. This one me and she discuss. Then I acclimate the social. I came out and announced my latest name now is now the social media king. The O22 no one. The what they are AKOBEGHIAN. Now people give me all those one. The one we be pronounced is the social media king. Baba with the smile. I just do my drink. So, along with that, the fight reduced. Watch on. The fight reduced. It was not a fight between me and the Enogie. Somebody who is called Dadamasis stepped into the issue between me and when I share the video. Every time I tell I get a record of it, not play. I get a record. Enogie never know anything. On your word, they not go play your record. They don't give. Let me talk. The day when you go do that, your lost marriage, not go play your record. That day, I go play all the record between me and she. Now me talk. Just watch. Get why. Just wait for that day. Just pray. Make our head reach that day. Now my gift. Now my luxury marriage. the end of luxury marriage. Let me that one. So after then, saga reduced. Bro, believe me, saga reduced. People were happy when I shared the video. Monica listen. When I tag them, big man wife clinic. When I tag them, I forget to tag them on this video for tag them. Then what happened? Monica now came out with election, digital election, as she said, digital election with her husband, whereby she made Ibizugbe the president, she made Pepper Soup Asaiwon the vice president, she make lovely Aikoya ambassador of peace, he make Enogie ambassador of peace, he make what's it called, British Okbaika ambassador of peace, Ivilivier ambassador of peace. If you not forget me, can remember now. Hey, Frankie, me, that's why I'm stupid. Ambassador of peace. Then everybody was like, oh, do matter, just look. The next thing, she started celebrating them on his stream. Wallpaper is celebrating them. And the Murphy caught him. And the Murphy started sagaring Ibizugbe as the president. I say, hey. And the Murphy will be said, I don't talk to. I don't make peace with the Murphy. Make it stop to the saga, Eruwala and Monica. That was when justice for J-Boy came out. Wow, that was all you do. Baba, please, you guys should share this video. It's not for hatred. It's not for insult. Please, nobody should insult anybody on this platform today. This video is not for insult. Please, if you know you love me, I beg you, don't insult anybody. I not fear anybody. But today, this video want to not for insult. Why? Monica never insulted me. He made a mistake or paraventure. He did not know the real truth. I want to expose the truth about Abiyuwa when he talk about platform. He mentioned Abiyuwa history in our platform. So I want to start from the grassroots to the history where she talk about. So please, I beg you guys, no insults. This thing will touch many presenters without no insult. Please, if you know you love me, please don't insult anybody. If you don't love me, you can insult anybody so that I can identify you and block you. Very simple. If waiting at the top they vex you, stay corner, put red heads. No, I know go block red heads. Not cause anybody. You understand? Just do this thing for me. Even though I be a Moswo, a way or Ozuo, of Yogu, or no problem. But eta me give me 10 women, or Ozuo, or Moswo, I hear you were periodical, no color, no problem. Please, let's say anybody platform. If you don't like what I do, just put it there. If you like what I do, give me love and like. God bless you. Say, he called celebrates at the Murphy the saga Ibizugbe. That's good. Ibizugbe the saga the Murphy. Ibizugbe started doing all manner of things. Ibizugbe started to wear suits. Immediately as they give him a president, Ibizugbe come out with suits, come and address public. Oh God. It's not in a month, I swear. I swear. Ibizugbe wear suits, Baba. Actually, no respect, bro. Oh, this is Osmode that cut. Yeah, okay, my guy, put on suits, Bobo the guy. Moody. Don't play. Hey, yo, but yo. Jesus. God have mercy, God. My guy got job. Is in no honor the fool. A man na la protect Betty. On our cookie suit to London. And now see your big boy. Don't play. He can't address GPC people. I was like, wow. Nice one, bro. If I look this side, the Murphy the wear and water. I was like, what's the young? Because of this president, Now drop, make peace day. I have to go make peace with the demon fee. Baba Mwaze, okay, sorry, let we make peace for day. Between we the Benin's. Now, Monica come out, inaugurates under presidents, vice presidents, people, every post we like, it cause problem. My mentality must not be a demorphic mentality. If I was a demorphic, I don't get problem. Because he do it for GPC, his own gang. He not concern my own name. My name and my name. People will call me my name. But because of the low mentality of Epa was now angry. Big. He called the saga, do saga. Okay, fine and good. Then what is up? Monica come and started the stream there for live stream. Show them for warning, including me. And I came out on live. Monica, down here. I came out on live video. Monica was celebrating me when I was insulting her on my wall, my live show at Umenwan talk show. See, Monica, now you be the bad person. I call the saga Monica. You knew it. Me. Or cast one saga Monica. Now Monica, well, why done? Why will you vote Ibizugbe as president? The same president where you vote for me, I can't reject her. You can't give Ibizugbe. That's what. But people were thinking I was jealous. No, I was doing it. I was trying to see how we can be peaceful between we the aspirant presenter. How we feel peaceful unite. And the Murphy was not kicking against Ibizugbe, including Andrew Omofawan was insulting Ibizugbe that period. And nobody saw Adamo for me like Mugu so when they work for street like respect for Highland. You understand? We nothing went us. So Adamo was bitterly angry. Everybody will not connect together. Insulting Ibizugbe and Monica, including Ivie. Baba, I can't say what will happen. In that very evening, I did that video. The first video I did that I ever insulted Monica was the video he did. Bring my picture out on the screen. Start celebrating me as the social media king. He celebrate Ajebo. He celebrate Virigi. People now call Monica and say, Monica, you they celebrate Frank Victor. Frank Victor, they search for that side for a platform. Monica ended the video. A lot of people are saying I'm jealous of a Ibizugbe. No, there's nothing like jealous because why? One combo when they come out. Which they come out for that name? Now insult. Bass goes behind they come out for the name. So why will I be jealous? All I wanted is for peace to reign between we, the Benis. Because I see the way they insult J-Boy and Eruwala, which the Murphy they do. I was trying to see how I can systemize by dropping that name, social media president, to Eddie Murphy, so that he go rest for J-Boy and Eruwala issue on social media. Basta. That was just my plan. Then next thing I could see say, Monica pick up again, giving Ibizugbe president. What if me reject? Make peace for them. You know why I say I'll play audio? When I underline what's in the talk now. 20 when October when Enogie want to marriage. Now go play the audio of the settlement. What's happening between me and Enogie? I go play am. That day, he go tiling with these things because I was trying to make peace to reign between we. Then Monica bring out those things, and I say, Monica, now you be the bad person. I drop. Don't be say I fear the Murphy saga. The Murphy not beat me for saga. The Murphy not get what to talk about. The Murphy not know how to talk. That's the truth. The Murphy go on. Now, now that one they fear na those days. Oh, Egwa, yeah, the Murphy not know Egwa. Now saga. The Murphy has become the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. You don't know those things. So then I was trying to make peace. Make the Murphy get new name. Everybody gets new name. Baba, Monica bring Ibizugbe. Ibizugbe was trying to create very big enmities between we. Ibizugbe, Monica don't say Ibizugbe na wako if original zoo. Ibizugbe is a hungry man. What do you do for money? I cannot do that video say Monica was a problem in Benin cyberspace. Totally for nights, that Monica enter live video. Totally. Monica was having 800 and something view, close to 900 view. Monica get that night. Monica did that video and lay cost on all the followers who watch Umenwan. More, you will talk about it. It lay cost on them. It will not dance. Yeah, sir. It can not see Bonnie. We know Umenwan say Bonnie. I can 1 year now. Say Bonnie. When I move Javani, when I support, when I give to you, when I want to start, we not do what say. Yeah, sir. Monica lay that cost that night. Monica measure Infinity Saga Nirare. That was when I know Infinity Saga was a man. Now, I want you to drop it from Umenwan talk show. Monica never knew I was watching her live that night. 8 o'clock in the morning, I want to enter my Facebook. My Facebook was dropped down. Ooh, Infinity Saga. I screenshot and I post down. Anything that I talk was proof. Well, now we have what it caused enmities between me and Monica and the talk show. Monica never see no today. You don't know why I saga her. What it bring disputes between me? Share the video. When I tag Monica, make she know. Between me and Monica, now this one. There was no way for me to broadcast apart from somebody from Spain. Teach me. I open YouTube. Give me StreamYard. I have to scream on StreamYard. Other way of social media, poster for a PC from Victor P. Not broken. If you want to watch from Victor, go to StreamYard, UMENWA TV. This will help people in sharing the posts, my posts from their page, UMENWA TV. That was how my YouTube grew under 2 days. Under 2 days, I got monetized on YouTube. Now I'm the only presenter who monetized for you 2 days. I get 1,000 plus followers and subscribers. My 4,000 minute view, bam, land. The next day I monetized my YouTube page. The third day was Lolo birthday. It was a birthday of Lolo. Inshallah, 2021. The third day was Lolo birthday. Lolo, and it just a birthday. Lolo fans pack on my platform like now. Like the witch. They want to use gifts. They finish me. They started giving me 50 euro, 50 euro. It's okay, not soon wait now. You understand? They almost finished me because why? I call the saga Monica for bringing Umenwan down. I now open Mama Monica talk show, who is now at the level 1 of the universe. God bless you, comrade. Osagbavu Iyoa. What already are? You understand? Who is now a lot of people started gifting me. How many weeks? Other level don't grow, don't monetize for Facebook. Hey, boy. Rita Ayemia Mokokobiri, aka FB Fibros, Facebook Fibros. She started gifting me. She give me a star talk show. Big. You know, one blessing, man. No, they just know. I know they lie. They all know what I'm saying. They didn't see any gift with you. But my page they be like water. Because here the saga Monica. Because with him, and they put Monica body go. Monica herself was confused. Big. And they counter Monica that's man. If I enter life like this, be all the presenter, very green. Who they super chatting for YouTube is I call the screen YouTube and Facebook. That was what happened. Then, feel with the apple bar. You know what matter? Balling, big justice for Jibon. I brought an army, and I bring the matter come Facebook. I drag the water. When I drag it, as I give it, everyone was confused. The next thing, everyone called Faye called me. Papa, Fa, slow down. Everyone, Faye called me. After Faye called me, he begged me. Papa, Fa, everyone called me. I said, everyone to come out and debunk every lies. Say, give him. Now me and the fair talk with us. None of them there. I will have to come over like the court of Omar. Now me and fair run up and talk with our house. That paro. When they put up a rule, everyone can call a fair. It may not webble. And also when I call it long webble, and I will boy. A fair talk to me. I say, come, my don't want. Oh, tell you no answer. They do Monica. Now me no. Everyone really come out, come talk. Understand? Even cut my platform. So I was insisting. Even the way we come over, I'm not using like this time. Say, oh, when we man, oh, why we know ya or I will deal with test. The first I will not do you, not do well. Anyway, I'm sitting with the hour. Every year when we go, this is what we do. Do one of the well like the mind. What's in the yard? In there, or you do here. When I resolve to talk now, pause. That was why I don't make sure you will like me give media. Or it's a minute, no, okay. You know, I go one or log back. Every time you key, every time you know. I was like, every moment, every new way. I was just trying to clear my conscience. Now, basta, no problem. Now, so. Now, that was how we were doing our saga. Team. I get a cutter with our sister. Before I got with our sister, it was when Osayan there go thief 28,000 euros for Germany when they fraud a woman, a woman of 28,000 euros when they give Enogie and Ajebo. When I'm young, so they were doing it blah 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 blah. I said no. Let's start from lawyer. Let's take a lawyer. That was when Abiwa intervened by calling me, say, Babala, a woman needs justice. If you can see how you can stand for that woman to get justice for those money, that money is not very little money. Now, so that woman send me 110,000 naira. I sent 10,000 go give me. I said, go give lawyer. Me, I said 100,000 go give lawyer. I'm going to take lawyer. My lawyer never take 1 naira from my hand. So when Enogie come when Enogie says my lawyer come and come to a live video, when Enogie comes to say the money will not pass, be careful. Even when they give matter, don't do anything. If they usually carry view for live video. Me when they don't give matter, I start to do underground work. They take lawyer, see how we fit fraud that account, freeze that account. Where they put the money, Enogie cut change. Say, don't mean they give the work. The woman categorically came out on live video saying not me they give the work. When I hear the woman here, they cure and sportsman. Then I have to step down. The money will be transferred over the woman return. Someone to Abewa saying the money in that me. That was the first 100,000 naira I got from Abewa. That was my first money. No lie. You understand? Thank you very much, Mr. Comrade. So I know where you are. What of with me? You understand? So I don't get any other thing. I said, okay, no problem. He dashed me 100,000 naira. I collect some. Because now 110,000 that she sent. Because of transfer, the money not going to complete 110,000. The money go any for that kind 100,000. They give me the 100. He said she dashed me. I transferred going to my account. Bastard. Okay. There was when she could watch me. You can see at the because she say God Father, God Father. Now that's $1,000 which was equals to 400 something plus naira for Nigeria account. Bastard. Nothing much. She was just trying to help. She will come on my platform, she will give me star. She will come to my platform, she will give me a start. She will go to my platform. She was just like Saga King Star. Abiwa was like Saga King Star. Abiwa have never carried phone one day say Umenwan. Saga Julie Lodon. Saga Wagenota you. Saga Nonlolu. Saga Monica. Abiwa has never done such thing. To me, more. Abewo was come to my platform, you will give me star. As they give me star, that's the name, you don't move. Or what will let quick. Una know now, I don't need to talk on. Quick. If you don't be 5K star, what will let once. Or I move. Or when you got reply, you give me the reply. Everybody hi, everybody thank you, everybody I hear you, you are welcome. No, you don't write up. Now start. You will move. If you just see at the moment of the life, or the moment of the life, or the second life, you give us start. You move. If you just see the life, you give us start. You move. All of you now watch out. Abiyiwa has no one thing called me say saga person. Now, why did I narrate this history from the beginning? I narrate this history from the beginning. Make Monica watch this video and listen very carefully. Why are the saga you there? You understand me now? If you don't know, make you know. Or if you forget, I remind you. If you forget, don't lie. Talk what you know. Not talk what you don't know. No guest. No guest. You know why they talk now? Abiyiwa know me. I came out with say no to adulterous women. Make una dey hear. Right from January 5 I came to Italy. Say no to adulterous women. I know Julie London, what's it called? True Eddie Murphy. Do na be sister Monica or Madam Monica down here. I tell you I can't believe but let's call it speed. Mama Germany, where they for acting. Mama Germany, where Enogie the whole 500 euro. What be her name, Madam? I mean, now one popular woman, now teacher for Germany. Enogie the one 500 euro. Owokan the mafia mu matare gome. Heli fiki. Owokan the mafia mu matare gome. Wagi na tara no, agara tara join. What be name no me ati woman na nwe. Kinenwe. Owo the mafia wokan mu matare gome. Now these are adulterous women, which I came up because they knew I was fighting against adultery right from Germany to Italy. And I started eating this story. I was doing my proper investigation before they never knew I would bring it back again. When they bring these women's stories, I have to go and do my investigation. You want to go talk about them. They will say, hey, even when I talk about Ellie, Fiki called me. A lot of people were calling me, man, where's war? Who's war? Basketball, they were insulting me. I don't care. That's what they be. People will love you, go fight for you on your back. But last, we settle our issue this peacefully, including FA, Yahweh, Fiki, the hotel, FA, coming back far. What's the shop? He said, if you my mom be that one, what's your now? FA, where you relax. FA, you know, my guy, you relax, chief. And they did my investigation. But last, I come and say, this is just a photo shots. We will say, the snap, the stand. And at the end of the day, Fiki and I will settle the issue amicably without no comment on social media to talk about it. She was innocent. She was purely innocent. I lock up. I call my guy at the Alpha. Fiki mutually forget that issue. That woman is innocent, forget her. FA died the matter. Even when Precious Man was a goddaughter to Fiki. She was a goddaughter of Fiki. Precious Man was a salty entity. Even Precious Man make attitude to insult Fiki. Then, when I share the video, when I sit down, and I share the video now, he joke. I'm not going to joke, saga person, just straight truth, nothing but the truth. Then I see Baba Alpha, the woman in Chile, forget my clear. At a fair man way, you understand? He will tell the fair guy, my fair guy, call normal level. My call. If the figure will tell you, will tell you, no man, it's me now. Take when you say now, but fair, will tell you, we did together. You understand? Based on a day journey. It's not sure, no, but not like that. With that, the matter clear. Issue, Banami settle, bastard. Then, when I did that video, appeal where they come watch me, she go give me star. She don't even drop any other comment pass on star. She go come out. The same way he was doing it with everybody. Now, I get in contact with her I toast them, she accept. We started dating as boyfriend and girlfriend. Which country today? America. Blah blah blah. I said, okay, no problem. And so when they date normally, men told me, a big guy man, I'm not sure the thing clear. But when alongside, I see her attitude, she not clear. Her attitude not clear. When she said jealous over, go. I mean, present that, Baba, I don't want all those kind of wahala. I have to step calm. Baba, auntie, I don't feel marry you. I don't feel date you. Because this your both grass now problem. Now, Monica make a statement today. Said, I hear you as give me money to take buy land. Monica, that statement, not try am again. You know why I don't want to insult you. I purposely make this statement to say, I'm not going to insult you. I respect you without you. You said it without insult. Don't try it. Not try it. You get why? What you don't know. Know your talker. You know my time. Understand? And if God beg you, yet not try it. That statement, you don't know what's happen. How I take that by land, how I tell it be my house. You don't know. You understand? I just got baby. No, will be tight. Umae, Bona. The only person you know how I take back my land. I was living in my house is Iyobosa, my former godmother. Now she know. If you want to know, go ask her. Yeah, I know, man. He's still talking about that video. Mama will let you tell that video. You understand? Go ask her. Really, yeah, happy. He come be couple. Yeah, I know. Now you get my life. Now the person will sell them for me. Go ask him. Or come on, yeah, acquire go near. And go after the live video. You understand? You understand? When you don't say, man, I blame you well. I know that's why I say no insult. Nobody should insult her here on this platform today. Or let's say you don't like me. If you like me, don't insult that woman. You know why? All these puppies we are friends. All these charlatans. I remember what is around this one. Who don't know anything about me. I'm a very private person. This is what they get to say. And they always that anybody that's close to me, you want to give them money. Anybody that's close to me, you want to bless that person, including my parents, as we speak today. As we still they talk, anybody, we know the friend though. I don't marry. I am a married man. Confirm. You understand? Oh, we are not getting married. A family of a teen girl, you go Guinea. We Bonia. Sister, I go on nowhere. Where is? Where you know they open your heart, me you clear. Sister, a boy now we are married where a teen where you goes where I run. Just they play. Inshallah, I am already building my family here. If you go for anybody for Nigeria, you're for you, or my son Umenwan. The day my matter will come up for life, the way I will take saga that person. It will be like, that is it. It's going to be war against discipline, not be joke. Not be joke. Because you know what? I purposely claim and say, Sister La will go. Now, it did go. Yes. You help me. I help you. I'm a man. I gift woman. No matter how you get on this. I dey gift woman. In my own way. Because I want to get that pride as a man. As a believer, I want to get that pride. Right? If it's set, I go just say, my man will go away. My man says so million of the way. Where will you put me? Where what I mean, man? You million me send the way. You million me transfer your account to where? You send me million, I send you million. We are all millionaires. You understand? That's the reason why I am proud of myself as a man. Oh, we are not never or I can transfer million of who we that way. Oh, we are not going to proud. You supposed to say, you understand? If without a good saying, you might only go on. Let's lock up. A Becky name, I know what I is around, so no my name. You guys can hear what she said. Oh yes, yeah, you make sure of 5,000 euros. But the matter where if you are 1 naira, not 1 cent. You understand? If you, that is when I'm trying to say now, not have your friend me for how many months? So that when you're doing 5,000 euro, out of say I'll be man, I want to prove myself as a man. Let me take care of you and your child, which you know born for me. Out of help as a man, woman wear the lash, she need help. Now my duty to take care of her. You understand? Then she use on a fraud when call a say, he chop me 5,000 euros. So you would know for myself, I be man will say, I they give, that's why they receive. The givers never lack. So all this one that one where Monica talk for like you say, Miami, my home, I bear you one of the able from Victor, oh no, you go from Victor, the from Victor to Saddle, sister not go there. Abiyuwa has never give me money to saga you. Abiyuwa, now let me explain one thing that what's it? Becky Love TV. I really Ghana was one again. Was one Bizugbe Mugu attitude. There are statements they make on social media that I did not talk about. Imagine can now today. Even the money cutter here no analyze that statement. I want to repeat that statement back. If they have a Bewa audio, they should come out and challenge me and play that audio. Ibizube and Atiti should sit down, including Becky. They should all sit down here today and listen to these words. Abiyuwa never called any presenter to fight for her or fight for me or saga anybody for her. Everyone, or rather, you watch this video, she never did that. What happened? Greedy presenters, let me tell you guys. While we heard the watch video now, this video was all this while the top this time. I'm not talking put to Imagine Enogie. You know why? I know the reason why. Abiyuwa is my girlfriend. I see her kind of generosity. I give her the rule. I cannot stop her to stop helping people. Through Abiyuwa, I could have opened orphanage home, but I don't want. I just want to be myself. You don't mind if I find a quibble, any orphanage you want. And that's our mission. That's our mission, our vision to do. But if I stood by her, she could have done those things. I lock up. Instead, if she see anybody when they're hungry, bro, make I tell you now. You see you now will be believe many of you now will be money be fool. You see outside that we are be money, he pass through now we are be money without no insult. Outsiders, all those like gege, not be gege not by me, gege not by me. You see that guy when they call it girl Mary. I mean Maria. Papa, no leave all those things. No one will go far. All those Lagos people, and so you know where they can't go hospital. People send out for me. They say, I say, I want to assist them. I say to assist them. He passed many of now believe about this. Now change give now. Una will feel say because una know say my babe. Then una go the feel say if they use the money to bribe you now, they couldn't do saga. Atiti can understand one thing. When they hear or Atiti why what in water. Or give busy with the running. That will one kind can be with on the arrow. Atiti I want the way Umenwan do saga. Beg. Atiti what our lock up. If you guys get the observe, una go observe if the saga make still go quiet to lock up. After some days, 2 days, you go call Abiyuwa. Mama, what are you I think you are from Vito now. You want to get be was from Vito. Or mind the bar, yeah, the what the Bayanwa saga, but this was who want to be what I can know of your brother, you know. What I can know now, Enogie. No one soon where if or everybody was so, yeah, this is what one year. Nia is a Bia, Nia is a Saga Monica, Nia is a woman that were Yado, Pigo, when I pick one, near a passing young or Pologui, and you will care worry. ya send me go boy. No go send money. Titi uawo you know. Go over boy every time. Me na go aju. Understand? Only way I will send you money. This is the format. It's a better diplomat format. When we say attitude they use to collect your money every time. Different diplomats now attitude they collect a beer you money. Or you want turning only while you go get bam, or you want to say no or MoneyGram, or you collect it, or you want collecting or why we go on lock up. I pay one routine way. See what's happening. Issue go. I go every time say my mama marry. What's the man nyana marry? You got web one. Or you do complain my man. Where you in attitude target a few. Made the swan over here. When and why? Don't want no saga me. Me tell you, here take be married when no. No na you gonna titi. Attitude ya saga no. Attitude why you say why am you go? You know, what can is second of life video? Oh, well, Saga, what is your business? You know, ask yes, only money. That's the biggest quarrel I've ever had with Adewa. Monica, total madam. The same thing goes to Ibizube. Aki clean walk Ibizube. Then Ibizube. Oh, Baba. Man, one will beggar. Ibizube is a gang patak of beggar. Ibizugbe. Oh, yeah, you boy, any informative now, you will go on to say, Enogie. Oh, but you may walk on the ground walking. Now, what I go because you were, we are anyway, Ima, boy, a boy, yeah, woman, oh, God, yeah, Mama, you know, give my boy. You know why? Even what there, yeah, you shall go to yeah, what done you walk with any boy? Me walk with me at one. I will walk back to one. Yeah, walk with boy. Well, but better for months. Man, I'll afford my hand. You know what they fuck? They told us we could lie with her. See, you know what this way do? I just lock up. Ima only go on. I just want to lock up. I go lie with sharp. Then she my babe. I don't lock up. And it's okay. If she know the lie many talk. She was like, if I was I can't work with I said, if I was saying the work when you go, and me and them want motor and driving, me and no passenger. God doesn't making no sunu. You don't want to listen to my way again. You don't understand? You get what you don't know. I can't be like this with a Chris. She know why you listen to me again. They got this woman they talk so. Now maybe I know say all those are the people they use just for that woman. Me go let say babe, Alpha. Forget those guys. What do they want? Okay, no. The next thing, or you see the receipt again. After the receipt, when I watch one thing happen, I still have the receipt as today. I still have the receipt as we speak today. They invite me for one party. One go do show. Baba, as a chairman of the occasion of the party, the chairman, about money that I get, I have 600 euros. Yeah. No, 800 euros now I get my drawer for my bedroom. I then want to set cutting. When I list, you know, where I for no say, did you work for this small body? Oh, but as a chairman of the occasion, and I said, okay, what you want to score? I contact them and say, after they have back my party, it's okay. How much? You have 200 euros. I said, what you be 200 you mean? Chairman, come to the speech with us. Now what is that? That have no sense. I don't get money. I can say, okay. I will send you money. Because I beg. No lie. I can't beg her. I beg. Support me. I don't want to go for my hand for this party. But they put me on chairman. Support me and see money case for party. And they beg my baby. Well, I done y'all. And they beg my babe me send money. I beg. The next thing, this babe really sent me receipts. He sent me 200,000. 200 euros. He sent Ibizube 200 euros. I was like, what? Now me beg you, send me money for party. You send me 200 euro. Me when they go party, will be your boyfriend though. If you where you're there, you go give him 200 you. Oh, yo, he sent me 2 receipts. I look at Ibisugbe. I said, are you okay? He said, I just give up. I said, you say wait, and they beg you for this. That's how many days now, how many weeks. See the party where they go. You understand? You they send me 200 euro. You they send a Ibisugbe where you know the friend 200. And you pass the 400 euro give Ibisugbe. I don't need them. Sister Lau will manage the. I reject the money back to her. I not collect. Beg, she beg. I say I know the collect. This money when I talk so, you guys are all witness to it. I still have the video on my page. I say how they collect. You know what she do? She don't go turn the money to 300 euro. I can't go collect them for Roman. You see? I can't go collect them for Roman. As they come, that money lost. When they come, I go on live video. They count the money, make she for seeing. What she said for me, I live a very plain, honest life with everybody where I go out. When I count the money, my first time of touching dollar for Europe here. I collect the money. The cab man will carry me go say, about 300 euro, you want to go split for party. That money was 350. Change that to dollar now. Change the dollar. I can't change the money from euro to dollar. Or euro now. That money lost. That money lost. Let me say that please. I have to spread my own euro. That's 600 euro. I have 800. I spread 600 euro for that part. And my own money. If you be collecting money at us, any younger at this top Abiwa never paid anybody. Help me go saga Monica. Help me go saga Waginotakata. Help me go saga the London. Help me go saga Kinebo. He never given. You don't even know them. When I did on my seat doing my broadcast, as a girlfriend, she come into the program, she give me start, she leave. She don't even know the topic where they talk about. She know. The only thing she go do, she go, if you don't give me start, she go just move. I no get killer for up man. Because you go chat in the one to chat the Facebook. The style what every platform where she go, if she just enter click CCD life, including Brother Mike. She don't use style, we hear Brother Mike. Tire. It's done. Now just a kind of person. Or marry you men one day where Saga Monica, Saga no. Monica, all those old cargo women that was moving with you, we are adulterous women. I put it up to you day and night. Julie London, we are adulterous women. You know. You cover up from there because of the benefits you are getting from there. Don't change it. If you stand for the way of truth, stand straight and straight. Don't bend it. Then in a year, I don't praise adulterous women. Because of the way. You understand? It is not for insult, it's for sincerity. Now come and say, or you go me, or bowa, or do me. Who tells you about the topic? When you have the topic, let me go and show you that posted by receipt of my house. Then you have pay here. Go and ask Mama Ego instrumentally. You understand? Not try it. Not give anybody that benefit of that. Say, oh, what do you me? I will not accept it from anybody. You understand? A Facebook couldn't wear you. We mind we are making wear a Facebook wear. What we do a cash. We do motor cash. We do cash. We do a cash. The man don't want cash. I did not bought anything cash. I bought it instrumentally. Call it Wala. He will tell you I bought my car. It's instrumentally. Yeah, go and pay. Because if salary every month if Facebook you pay me. A fancy man don't go me. A supporter man supporting me. I do my thing, you know, say, hey, you get it now. And that's what I see. They take fancy support today. Yeah, what they go with streets. I thought them like to say, bring the government, support to Umenwan. To the use when I not cut leg. You dey feel me so? Get and clear for your brain. And they go also, they get my thing clear normally. I mean, no, I still get my money clear. Papa was Facebook, they bless me. You feel me? So now go there. Don't even go there. It's just the truth. Straight facts. You feel so? You feel so? So if you know how you do get and clear for your fans, you'll be yucky. In the normal level, they give you money and not blame you. And not jealous you, baba. Who marry the good of give you money on their own cup of tea? Me, I don't ask my fans, say, bless me. I did street the hustle my money. Normally. I don't marry my family man. Not before we say I single. Even on 1K, I cannot take married myself in the next month. Now I'm not double. I have to pay my house rent here. I will still pay my wife house rent. She's not my love. She's not my priority. She's automatically my property. Everything that concerns her belongs to me. If you don't know, make you know. I not be lazy youth. Don't play. Hey, boy. As I don't mind, I have to systemize all my expenditures. How I spend my money. You feel me so? Like before we say I go to I say drop one carton. It not go happen again because why? I don't marry. I have to use brain. I get family. I get responsibility to cater for both home and abroad. You feel that? You feel the vibes? Oh, what you go me ya do a time. I will not accept that. That's now you talk with me say it trigger me. It probably I just try to control myself based on Mathieu Bome. Oh yeah, give a example man. Mama Miami. Yes, that's what I see. You use me to give, you use Abiyewa give example to Mama Miami. That's why they tell you the story between me and Abiyewa. Now I will take that long. She helped me fine. I cannot say she did not help me. She helped me normal, clear. If when one of my house said she blessed me 1 million naira, let's pass in my house and what not million than 8 million. What look my house? You understand? She blessed me because she knows say I get different girlfriend. When she give me that 1 million, say yeah, how many carry me? I get different girlfriend that's all for the for you to give me 1 million, you try. I mean, I take complete my money, build my house, no man. Man understand? You about me, man. See how I want you about me. Or you do so. In you body me as a boyfriend, in me assist you as a girlfriend. That is speak for you. Many are talking me. Why would me? I can say it. They receive 1 million, 2 million, 500,000. You understand? I mean 300,000. They use this one day. Go work money grant. Collect this 300. Collect this 200. Okay. Before I need another for Nigeria. You get that, I say I get that. I think how much is it? I need 2 million. Okay, no problem. Send me your account for me. I need 1 million. Baby, send me your account for me. I go transfer now on my own coffee. Not my own. Okay, benefit. But it's not concern anybody. You go to me, don't know who do I calculate. You go to who be a calculate as well. No, be a who I calculate. So that statement where you made today. Now make me recharge this. I'm supposed to just sleep now. Because I went home. You understand? But a statement will make you to make you understand where you are tired. You understand? Okay, where I mean Becky okay, Becky no wrong. If you want to go near me, ya saga now listen. When I Becky tell me, you know what? Yeah, I own a lot of. I am clear. Why I not reply Becky? Because she's stupid. You understand? She knows what she's doing. Why? First, she was in my house. She knew I was dating Abiyewa, and she also bought ticket to come to my house to come from this place. And when she was in my house, she kept quiet while communicating with my girlfriend in America. That's no, she have a plan. She coming to show me to say, "Oh, you give me a sister." I sit down. You never see your word. You understand? She was with me in the bed. Why they put up because to when my woman they coming for food talk, she will keep once. She could keep mute until something very very suspicious. Good. Now, I never get issue with the card. Excess expenditures through card. America account, they monitor you the way you use your money. Guys, you guys know, for those who don't know, they monitor you the way you use your MasterCard till they spend money. So then comes restrict her for spending money for some weeks. If she want to bless me with star, she say, okay, which person will give you star? And I say, this girl they give me star, Becky. He say, hey, I say Becky they give you star. Okay, I feel send her 500 euro. Make it give you star. And I say yes. Say okay. I call Becky. My baby says she wants to say 500 euro. Maybe forgive her star. Becky say me name. Amazing. I said Bobo one. I send her to her. She chop Becky call her for money ground. Put the money for her account. Well, damn yo, Amalawa. I having that boy here. That's why when she talk, I don't answer her. Basta. That woman purposely say she want give star the money when she don't spend. Facebook no green let her. The American bank, her bank, they restrict her from spending money again for the weeks. So because of the I do live video, she no fit give me star. Who go fit give me star? You want maybe say star they pour for my platform. She Becky, you give me star when I reach 100 euro. He shall pay the rest money. After set at home, then I bet you were coming. Frank, yeah. Your girlfriend, the star will give you. I can't. Or money start 500 euro no. It's 100 man say 500 euro selfie. Frank, you are job me. Calm down. Now small money they give her. Maybe tomorrow will give her that one again. When the last now call Becky. You always start looking myself 100 euro. Becky, what's going on? Away up with your way money. The Becky now a job me. Do you say I look at your laugh? Because me, I'm not hungry. Now they're hungry. Hey, Frankie, you Becky, start money in the master 100 euro. Mama, calm down, no vex. Mon guys, Becky, we go be okay. Becky, you talking. Becky, no, my mom. Becky, you talking. Who does he? Good. What to do? Yeah, I'm married. Sagai Becky. Who that? Yeah, I Sagai Becky. Who that married star me? And now I could be the last. You will not be. Money me. That is the only. I swear to God who made me. This night, be any weakness. That is the only money I knew. See, I bear you are sent to Becky. That me, more. If you see me, I come what you do, I go so. You won't need anything. Don't give you over here, give you kill. On my girl, I am not aware. I am not aware. You know the reason why? I am fed up of the whole thing. Because when man talk to woman not the thing. I lock up, I rest my case. I'm going to call you, no more. Off with me. I'm going to give. What already?
Daddy, I want to contribute. This matter not be waiting that they laugh, but this is not joke.
Yes, ma'am.
Not be wait because the way they talk and you talk as if they feel funny. You understand that it's not funny. How Bessie will give you money, say okay, every user give Bessie star and you give Bessie 100 euro, you chuck it for 100 euro. That is all job devil any. You know even that Abia will say, this girl where you want to give this money, I won't trust her. This is not funny, daddy. You understand? That's why when you go to this Abia, sometimes I go pity her, sometimes I not go pity her. You see what I try to talk because Becky or Jumper Jebo anyway. This is not funny. Okay, I'll give somebody. Okay, you give me money, so can I help you do like this? Really, I really see where Becky they always they give you star. I see on that time where they give you 50 euro, 50 euro star, I'll be 50 this thing.
50 star.
They put that 50 star. I didn't see at that time. As I now not call the cash. Me I never know say now pure one. See, give Becky get start to the get shape. Wait, please, okay, basically the day you say I pure one of my girlfriend. You shook up. Why are you so desperate? You did desperate to pay. Oji Ashawo any young who here. You see the reason why I pure one go the vest? It must vest. That the idea among the team. Wait, see them. I don't know why I want to put up, but Becky is not good for you as a woman. Mama here. That is the reason why you and Enogie get matched together. You people are 419. How best you will say take this money, use her do something. Then you give her.